Hey dear, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that forms the foundation of digital marketing. It's called email marketing. You might be wondering why email marketing is so important. Well, let me tell you, it's because of email lists and list building. When it comes to digital marketing, having an email list is like having a secret weapon. It's a powerful tool that allows you to connect directly with your audience. And the best part is, it's under your own control. Unlike platforms like Facebook and YouTube, where you're subject to their policies and algorithms, your email list is yours to keep. Imagine this scenario. One day, out of the blue, Facebook or YouTube decides to ban your account. It can happen to anyone, and it's a nightmare for content creators. Suddenly, you lose access to your followers. All that hard work gone. But fear not, your email list is a real asset and no one can take it away from you. Building an email list is like creating a safety net for your digital presence. It's a direct line of communication with your audience, no matter what happens on other platforms. So, how do you go about building that valuable email list? Well, let's break it down. First, you need to offer something of value to your audience in exchange for their email address. This could be an ebook, a free course, exclusive content, or even a discount on your products or services. Just make it irresistible. Once you have that offer ready, create an opt-in form on your website or landing page. Make it simple and easy to fill out, ensuring that visitors can quickly provide their email addresses. Now comes to the exciting part, managing your email list. There are plenty of email marketing software options out there like Aweber, like ClickFunnels, like MailChimp, or ConvertKit. These platforms allow you to organize your list, automate your emails, and track your campaign's performance. With your email list in place, you can drive traffic to any website you want, whether it's your blog, your online store, or your social media profiles. You have the power to direct your audience to wherever you want them to go. So, there you have it. Email marketing is the foundation of digital marketing because it provides you with the direct line of communication with your audience, free from the uncertainties of platform algorithms. Building an email list ensures that you have a valuable asset that can't be taken away from you. Remember, in the ever-changing landscape of social media platforms where your accounts can be banned at any time, your email list remains a reliable and powerful tool. So start building that list today and take control of your digital marketing journey. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a couple of quick tips to maximize the effectiveness of your email marketing campaigns. First, make sure to segment your email list based on your audience's interests, preferences, or any other relevant criteria. This allows you to send targeted and personalized messages that resonate with specific segments of your audience. Secondly, don't just bombard your subscribers with promotional emails. Provide value in every message you send, share useful tips, industry insights, or exclusive content about their pain points or problems. Building trust and establishing yourself as an authority in your field will keep your audience engaged and eager to hear from you. To sum it up, email marketing is the backbone of digital marketing. It gives you control over your communication, protects you from platform uncertainties, and provides you with a direct line to your audience. Remember to offer something valuable. Create an opt-in form, manage your list using email marketing software, and drive traffic to your desired destinations. Thank you so much for joining us, and we hope you found this video insightful and motivating. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below and we will be happy to help. Until next time, keep building those email lists and take charge of your digital marketing success. Take care and see you soon.